Ken Goodfellow, Coach Ken. Why do you run a business if you make no money? So many teams, so many businesses out there make no money. You know, I say when I speak lots, 70% of the teams out there make little to no money. Why do you run a business if there's no money in it? You have to figure out whether the business model that you're running really is the proper way to run your business. If you look at the end of the day and you're making, 15% profit, your model's wrong. You need to change the way that you're doing business. Hey, I get lots of people that call me and go, hey, Ken, we have a great business. We do $2 million GCI. And I say, so how much money do you make? Well, I make $100,000. $100,000, that's pathetic. See, if you're going to have a proper business, you need to make proper profit, 30, 40, 50%. In order to do that, you have to make sure that your model is correct. In other words, every part of it, the systems you have, the listings you take, no discounting, the buyer agents are all busy. Make sure the model works so that it's going to make you lots of profit. Don't run a business without a profit.